It's late. You should be in bed.
Just a little more.
We're not sleepy.
Turn it off. Now.
Let them watch.
They need sleep.
It's just one night.
We missed you!
I missed you too, guys. How was school today?
It was okay. Just normal.
Kids, I'm home.
Dad! You're back! Dad, what did you bring? Show us!
Hey, slow down. Let's see what we have.
A game! A new game!
And chocolates.
Dad, you are the best. Yes, you're my hero, Dad.
I want the best for you, Guy. Now sit and enjoy your game, and let me go and see your mother.
Okay, Dad.
You brought them gifts again.
Yeah, just something small.
They don't need more things. They need discipline.
They're just kids.
They sleep late. They don't go outside. They don't listen.
They're fine.
No, they are not. They are changing. And not in a good way.
They'll be okay.
Shh. Shh. Listen. Why are they serious? I don't know. Mom sounds upset. She's always like that. Mom doesn't like us.
You think so?
She hates us. This is the best part!
Don't change it.
It's late. You should be in bed.
Just a little more.
We're not sleepy.
Turn it off. Now.
Let them watch.
They need sleep.
It's just one night.
Wake up! You're late!
I'm tired.
Just 5 minutes. You know the time? Do you know the time? Get up and go. Get ready for school now.
Millie, stand up. Ben, stand up. Why are you both so tired?
We watch TV.
During school nights?
Yes. That was embarrassing. Yeah. Mom told us to sleep. Yeah. I feel so tired. Me too. I am gonna be sick. Let's go and finish our movie.
Yeah, it's weekend tomorrow.
We missed you.
I missed you too, guys. How was school today?
It was okay. Just normal.
Why are they behaving like this? Just because I want the best for them?
Yes, I got the speed boost. Look out, coming through!
Whoa, that was a huge crash. You two enjoy the game.
We need to talk about the children. They are becoming lazy. They stay indoors all the time. They don't sleep properly.
The world has changed. Kids don't play outside like before. It's normal now. You should cut them some slack.
It's not just about today. It's about who they are becoming.
I do not feel so good. You are burning up. Let me go and call Mom. Dad! Mom! Come quick!
She is burning up! Quick, the hospital!
Her fever is quite high.
Is she going to be okay? Has she been sleeping and resting well? Not really. It looks like she has not been sleeping and exercising well.
I feel ashamed. I caused this. I allowed them to play too much. They were always indoors. I am so sorry.
She will be fine. You can send her home today, but she must take her medication. You are going to be fine, dear.
Mom, I am sorry.
We are sorry, Mom.
You were trying to help us.
We didn't listen to you. We will listen next time.
I was wrong. I should have listened to you. This is for you. Thank you for caring for them.
I only want what is best for you. And I am happy you understand now.
Millie! Catch! You almost missed. No way!